I could just edit everything like on my phone.
But I just set this up, so...
What do I say? I sit in the chair. Hello, this is Tim, and welcome to Eisen's makeup tutorial. Right now, he is rubbing his face very nicely, and now he is naked before us. And he must put his shirt on. There you go. And now he has some sort of cream, and he is putting it all over his face, like a beautiful little boy he is. And as you guys know, the footage is now sped up. He has some sort of black thing. We do not know what it is right now. Now we just have to wait for him to finish doing that. Now he's gonna put some stuff on. Who knows what that stuff is?
Oh crap.
He's gotta do some stuff to his eyes now. Okay. I have no idea. He's got the brush, I think, and then he brushes his face with it. Who knows what that is? I don't know. And then he starts singing, but we cannot hear it.
Struck by you, I wanna make you move because you're standing still.
Unless I turn it up a bit, I don't know.
No.
Oh no, I turned it up so I could hear.
Bro, that's gonna wreck the audio.
I don't, oh, it might actually, who knows. Now he's doing his eyebrows and he's doing more of his eyelid. That's about it. It's a little boring to watch. But he's looking better now with his makeup on, I guess. So we will see what he looks like after he's completed this. I didn't know people use a pencil on their eyes.
It's not a real pencil.
Yeah, it's a fake pencil. And now that he's using some white or something, and then he's got some more skin color stuff. It's like darker than light nougat color. And he just proceeds to use the, whatever that is. Alright, now his eyebrows are looking way different now. Oh my, they're very long and curvy. Nice. And then he puts on his little signature thing he does, and then he adds some white stuff on there. Who knows what that is? We'll never know. Unless he tells us. And now he uses an eyelash thingy. There you go. And then he does a little bit on his lips. I would hope the microphone's on. Or else I'm just talking for no reason. We'll find out when it's over. I don't know how much longer it is. This is a long video of him just doing his makeup. It looks better now though. It reminds me of James Charles. But the only makeup videos I watch, they would talk in their video as they're putting on makeup, and they don't really tell us what any of the makeup is. They literally just talk while they're putting on makeup, so I don't know anything about the makeup stuff. But yeah, now he's doing like his hair now, I think. Did you put cornstarch in your hair? Or... I didn't know cornstarch was white. So yeah, he's just doing his hair now. So let's just watch him do that, I guess. Cornstarch is very good for your hair. It makes your hair like less greasy, but I don't need to worry about that for myself anymore because all my hair is gone now. I am bald. This is him just brushing his hair now. I know all.
Oh, she used to call me an asshole every day. You're so much better than her in every single way.
Yeah.
You're hotter, more polite. You know, you don't insult me all the time. You don't make me feel worthless unless I'm like, please, Tim, make me feel absolutely worthless.